Hey everyone. If your Vercel site is not updating in 2026, like you push changes but nothing changes on the live website, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Vercel site not updating step by step. First, open Vercel and check your latest deployment. Make sure your most recent build is successful. Next, verify that you are pushing changes to the correct Git branch. Vercel only deploys from the connected branch. Now try redeploying your project manually. This forces Vercel to rebuild your latest code. After that, clear the build cache before redeploying. Old cached data can prevent updates from appearing. Next, check your GitHub integration. If sync is broken, new commits won't trigger deployments. Now do a hard refresh in your browser or open your site in incognito mode. I mean, your browser may still show a cached version. After that, verify your environment variables. Incorrect values can sometimes make it look like changes are not applied. Finally, make sure you are checking the production domain and not a preview URL. Preview deployments don't always reflect final updates. So yeah, that's how you fix Vercel site not updating in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your latest changes should show correctly. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more deployment tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone.